Why is it important to follow doctors' recommended treatments in a personal injury case? Attorney Betty Davis explains. It's really important when you have a personal injury case to seek medical care as soon as possible and to consistently follow your doctor's course of recommended treatment. Medical care is how you can document your injury and not only document it, but have a third party document it. When we talk about evidence, there are notes and bills that the medical provider will generate as part of your visit. We can use that to show evidence of your injury. Every single time you go to a doctor, that medical provider will document your complaints of pain, their diagnosis, their order, and even the physical examination. They are going to see if you have the normal range of motion. Even something as simple as taking your blood pressure can provide evidence. If you are in a lot of pain and it shows because you have high blood pressure, you can use that to say your pain was a 10 out of 10. It helps us piece together a story to present. It's important to go to those doctor's appointments and then, if you still have pain, to continue to do it. It will be much more effective if you have that paper trail to show that the wreck happened, you went to the ER, you complained about this, you went to your primary care physician, and your primary care physician sent you to physical therapy. You did a 6-week course of physical therapy and you still had an issue. You went back to your primary care physician and she told you to go to orthopedic. Then, the orthopedic doctor sent you for an MRI. The MRI shows that you have a herniation in your neck. At that point, 100 pages of medical records prove your injury versus a scenario where all you do is go to the ER and complain about neck pain, and then, 6 months later, your neck pain is so bad that you end up going to your primary care physician. There are no notes in between from any other provider to corroborate that. That's just a less effective way to present the case because you have a 6-month period of time where there is nothing to prove your injury. You have no story to paint. The importance of following recommended treatment is that if you are complaining about pain and a professional medical provider tells you how you can possibly treat it and then you don't do it, you are not doing everything you can to eliminate the pain. The insurance company would argue that you can't get compensated for pain you are not trying to fix. Legally, it's called a failure to mitigate your damages. Attorney Betty Davis is uniquely positioned to represent you. She has worked very hard and represented many, many people to get to a place where she is proud of her commitment not only to aggressively protect her clients, but also to do so with empathy and compassion.